No. Pokemon saying in here, welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today, now, me and Macho say hello, Macho.
Hello.
Okay, so we're gonna go and play a survival game with today.
Hola.
Okay, so
I won from see that my God. Welcome back to the Oh My God game video. Now, I'm see that.
okay, so we're gonna play a survival game Wednesday. So
What's your name?
I'm Pokemon trainer. Pokemon.
You're a Pokemon trainer?
Pokemon. No. Pokemon Saiyan. That's spelling wrong. Okay.
Pokemon
A.
lang.
Okay. So. Okay. Yes, done it. So. So I'm gonna join in Machu world. Now we're gonna play a survival. Don't part in this episode.
This is not episode. This is not recording. Do you smell it? Okay, what?
Where are you?
Still here.
What are your skin? What's your skin? I don't.
The Gangster Boy. No, yeah.
Where are you? Oh, yeah.
Idiot monster. Why you punching me? I'm still lagging. You see?
I'm in town.
Don't kill me, you idiot monster. That's why I called the one. No, you idiot. I will slice you with my own feet.
I'm so funny.
Hey, look up.
Where are you?
Look
Let's
up.
move in here.
Look, I thought there's a brick, but it's not.
Where
Hey, Pokemon! Behind you. Where are you? There you are. Don't call me, you idiot!
I'm in here.
A lonely tree. That makes a sense. Guys, I'm still lagging.
Me too. Where are you?
Still here.
Where are you? Ouch. Don't punch me, you sucker!
I like screaming after all. I will get out of this world. I don't like you. You're so dumb. You are really dumb for real. I can believe I can fly. I can believe I can touch the sky. I can bow again. What's that, Chimulo? Look, pumpkin. Can't.
Where are you?
No.
Where are you? I'm a darkness cave.
I'm in the water all of the city.
I'm in here. I'm in the spot of you.
I'm too far away to you, idiot monster.
What the what?
It did it.
You're so annoying.
I died. Seriously, I died. Hey, where are you, you idiot monster again? You're losing.
There are you.
There are you? What is there are you? I don't see your butt face. Chump chick.
Ow.
What is ow? Butt chick chumpis.
My hair.
It's cool. No, it's bad. Look like a chicken pox in the butt chick underwear in the. I don't know what's that. Hey, where are you? You idiot monster. I'm such a big. No. Why there was a big hole over here? Bigger hole. You idiot. Why you leave your own macho? Why do you leave your...
Where are you maid?
I'm not a mermaid, I'm a mermaid.
Where are you?
Yeah, I don't see you, you idiot. Oh, then I'm supposed to walk.
Oh, you're gonna die. Where are you?
monster in the house. Don't say Chimalo. Chimalo does bad. Chimalo is having no. It's SEX. You're like that. Yes.
Don't say that.
You're what? Dad. What's dad?
Where are you?
You're idiot. I don't know where you. The middle of the forest. I'm lost.
Where are you? There, you see that?
Yay! Yay! Don't say again. You're stop monster bikini.
Bikini?
You're bikini. Don't say bikini. Yay! You left the game. I'm so happy with that. Hey, Chimalo. I said do not share that. Chimalo. Okay, you're dead to me.
Where are you?
You're
in the middle of the forest of death, you dear.
Okay, I'm gonna end this video.
Why?
Because my idiot brother is so idiot.
I'm just
Blah.
Don't follow much in the internet.
Hey, follow me.
Don't subscribe much in the internet.
I will not
Hey, YouTube.
I will not using a video. I'm not gonna make a video. I'm not gonna make a video anymore if you don't like it or really bad happened to my in the world. You're an idiot, master. Why you told them?
No forever.
You do have no, you don't.
I have no forever.
Yeah, okay, my piece of food.
What?
You're an idiot. I said piece of food.
What is fish of wood?
Making.
What is a fish of
Gonna make a house. Gonna
What
make
is
a
a
ugly
fish
house.
of wood?
Gonna make a ugly house. Gonna make a ugly house.
Like ugly as yours.
No, you are the ugly I never seen in my life. The ugly house. The ugly house.
Yeah.
Where are you, you idiot? Okay, I'm gonna quit. But first, I will eat this. No, I can eat.
Gotta go.
Okay, gonna go. Bye bye. Not
Oh, yeah.
still. Oh no, it's raining. No! You idiot monster! Guys, you know what? I'm gonna tell you a secret. We're not from American. We're from
Philippines.
yeah, that's right. He said Philippines.
said
Oh yeah, idiot! I'm only saying.
Oh man.
I'm only.
So idiot.
I'm only saying
Dumb.
You're dumb.
You're dumb.
Okay, where are you? Sorry. Okay, guys. Sorry about the secret, and I see you in the next video.
Why?
Why? You're
No.
dumb.
No.
No, I'm gonna press. I'm gonna press. Game. Where are you?
I'm going to disappear on my life.
You're still here. The
Dumbest game.
do not say this word.
You're so idiot in my life.
Do not say this word.
Boo.
You say the word. Yo.
Yes.
Yeah, baby.
The ding, you bush.
You're pervert.
Boo.
You're poop. Okay, where are you? I'm gonna name. Jim, not James. Name. Where are you? Coming now. Wali ka na. Coming. Gang. Woo!
Oh man. I'm
Stop. Guys.
Oh my god! Where is it?
We're gonna be disconnected from that.
Where are you, mesh? You're killing me.
Bye-bye. Survival board.
I got chimney.
Don't say chimney, that's a Spanish. That's a Spanish metaphor.
What's going on in the woods?
That was learning human. You're crazy human.
What? Don't get that.
There we are so fast.
Where's my wood?
Is here. I got 3. No, 4. I got 4 poops. You will never taste it because I have too many flavored katas. Chocolate, ube.
You're Spinchagilo.
Yeah, it's too bad. No, I don't bad. You're speaking stupid word I never seen in my life like Mr. Pink Shit. Survival board, you're not really survival. You're survival dumb.
Dog.
No dumb. D-U-M-B, dumb.
Dog.
Arr.
Macho.
You're arr. Yarr. Yarr. I'm gonna hit you
With a berry.
with a baby.
Damn you.
You're idiot monster. Stop killing me, your stupid thingy. Oh, we have no woods yet.
I'm drowning.
You're not drowning, you're still in the... I found KB!
Let's kill.
Cave. We did. There was a small cave. What? You're drowning, you're still there. Yeah, you're drowning. Die, sucker. It's still here. I see you. What is What? You're still trapped there. You still have breaking aside. Breaking aside. Breaking aside. Breaking aside.
Don't tell me you're unclean. This is my home, bitch. Dog on my arm.
Your house is too ugly like mine.
Okay. Also, that's also the
Sorry about that, Jay.
episode. And if you like it or you hate it, please.
No, you're not still done yet.
But I'm dying to stir.
Yay!
I'm gonna kill myself. Kill myself. What is going on?
Dapat umatras ka doon. Nakasiwa ka.
Dig!
Ayun.
Oh my god! Help me! Help me!
Yes, go! That's not.
Meron dyan
Oh my god, I'm gonna end this video. So, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.